Today we're looking at a 2015 Honda Civic LX, 35,000 miles on it. It's a certified Civic. All right, it's got a Carfax 1 owner. It's taffeta white in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Start here on the driver's side. Everything here is in really good shape. It does have the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks good here too. All right. Certified 2015 Honda Civic LX, 35,000 miles on it. Carfax 1 owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the beige and black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have the beige cloth seating. Driver's seat's in good shape. Let's see, just a little bit. And I don't think that's a shadow. Just a little bit of staining right there on the headrest. Alright. Does come with the keyless entry key fob. And all those are shadows there, but the passenger seat looks really good. Alright. Does have the center console with the USB port there. Okay, it is an automatic. It's got your auxiliary and power outlet down there. Got your climate control center here, AM/FM CD player there. I'm going to have your display screen here with the backup camera, and we'll show you that in a second. It does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth, and then your Econ button right over here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. All right, it's got exactly 35,000 miles. All right, we'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. It does have your digital speedometer over here, and I'll go ahead and pan out just a little bit so you can see how well lit the dash is in the Civic. Really nice layout with how they do that. All right, and just again the AM/FM CD player there. All right, and your climate control center here. AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Back seat cloth looks good. No problems back here at all. Everything's in really good shape. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk space. Carpet back here is clean. Your spare tire down there. Step to the side so you can just see the depth of how much room you got back here, but plenty of room in the Civic. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 15-inch steel wheels, all right, with the nice hubcaps on there. Tires are brand new set of tires. All right, once again, so 2015 certified Honda Civic LX, 35,000 miles exactly. All right, Carfax 1 owner, things in good shape inside and out. Let's come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.